My name is Ashley Kaiser.
My name is Tara Vu.
My name is Tyler Burish, and I'm the sourcing supervisor for third-party equipment and commercial parts.
Hi, my name is Pranav Panjani.
Tom Partridge, been at Delkor for 17 years.
I applied to Delkor because I thought the machines looked cool.
The people at Delkor I view as family, and the culture of Delkor is very supportive.
Yeah, the people at Delkor, I think, are amazing.
I would really describe Delkor as a family. I've built a lot of really great relationships here, and I enjoy working with these people each day.
A lot of free thinking is encouraged. Not just completing a task, you're also encouraged to be inventive.
What I love most about my position are the challenges that I face every day.
It takes a lot of people in order to design, purchase, and help schedule the timelines for that equipment.
My favorite thing about working at Delkor is interacting with all the departments over here.
What keeps me motivated is really just being part of the team. At the end of the day, we all get to contribute to the success of Delkor.
The things I enjoy most about working at Delkor is the people.
I would say over the past few years that I've been here, Delkor has grown substantially, and it's nice being part of this growth.
Some of the traits for success at Delkor here are definitely being ambitious.
A desire to learn.
Have an open mind. Delkor is a place where you don't have to be afraid to change directions or share ideas.
Something I look forward to when I come into work, the variety, new challenges every day.
I feel like I'm more of a part of a collaborative environment than being a number at a company.
It's a bunch of creative and fun people, and that's really what makes Delkor what it is, and it breeds a really great culture.